Imagine you're scrolling through your Neon Bank app, admiring your growing savings. Suddenly, you need a detailed financial report for tax purposes or to track your spending habits. How do you get all that data out of the app and into a format you can use? That's where exporting a CSV file comes in. A CSV, comma-separated values, file is like a digital spreadsheet. It organizes your data into rows and columns, making it easy to read and analyze. Neon Bank, with its sleek interface and user-friendly features, offers a straightforward way to export your financial data into a CSV format. The step-by-step guide. Open the Neon Bank app, log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to Settings, look for the Settings icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. Find the Export Data option, scroll through the Settings menu until you find the option to export your data. Choose CSV format, select the CSV format from the available options. Confirm export, a confirmation prompt will appear. Tap Export to proceed. Download the CSV file, your phone will start downloading the CSV file. It should be saved to your device's Downloads folder. Additional tips. Check your downloads. Once the download is complete, go to your device's Downloads folder and locate the CSV file. Open the CSV file. You can open the CSV file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or Apple Numbers. Customize your export. Some banks may offer additional options for customizing your export, such as specifying a date range or including specific transaction types. Now you have your Neon Bank data in a CSV format, ready to be analyzed, shared, or imported into other financial tools. Exporting a CSV file is a simple yet powerful way to take control of your financial information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.